be. Oh, come on. Did they really not? Oh, there we go. Again, this headstock was pretty hacked. There we go. All right, cool. I like the two-tone. Oh, you dummy. Of course, it's the one that's the pain to get back together because the holes aren't drilled right. Stop it. There we go. Man. Okay. Let's put the screws to it. Oh, we're gonna have to make extra holes. Oh man. That's okay. I don't care. How you do that? Here, let's swing it around like this. So what I do is usually all tuners have a flat spot like that. So, oops. And oh yeah, check this out. Factory second. I think I showed in the last video, but it's because of that streak that's under the finish. But anyway, cool story, bro. And now just kind of make sure these are all lined up in the right spot. How's that looking? Just about there. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're okay. That one's not. There we are. Okay, just trying to get use my micrometer to see if, again, these holes weren't, look at that, see, I mean, even when they are lined up, they're not correct. Like, even this way I can see the difference. That's okay. All right, we're on the close enough setting. We're going to drill out some holes. Let's get a little tiny drill bit. Always drill out tuner holes. You'll have a really bad day. And sorry about looking at my trash there. I haven't picked up bench in a little while. I've been busy. All right. Make sure you're not going to drill through like that. See, that's why I use tape. And, oh yeah, incoming Bosch. I guess someone in in my Strat video was another one of those weenies that complain about using power tools on a guitar. It's like, well then, what would you use here? Here, let's move you guys a little bit. You're kind of, there we go, that's better. Adjust the angle of the dangle. There, oh, look at that, a little bit of finish lifted there. That's okay. Again, I don't care. I like the two-tone look. Have I said that already? I think I did. I had really nice hip shot tuners in this before. And nothing bad about the hip shot stuff. These definitely look cooler. Looks like the finish work is pretty good on them. Sometimes you can tell when the plating's just terrible. This does not seem to be the case. All right, those are on mostly. There. The machining seems nice on the threading. Doesn't feel gritty A lot of times, inexpensive tuners, you can feel like grit when you're tightening them up because it's just junk metal. Ooh, I like it.